Hello, food lovers. Today we're going dairy-free. No cow's milk here. But don't worry, it's going to be delicious. We can still enjoy creamy, tasty food. Get ready for easy recipes. Let's get cooking. Dairy-free eating is good for you. It can be easy too. Let's enjoy a day of yummy dairy-free meals. We'll start with a fruity breakfast, then a light lunch. Finally, a warm and comforting dinner. Are you ready? Let's go. Wake up to a vibrant dairy-free berry smoothie bowl. It's the perfect way to start your day with a burst of colour and flavour. It's packed with nutrients and flavour, making it not just delicious but also incredibly healthy. This is how we make it. Gather all your ingredients: fresh berries, a ripe banana and some oat milk. Take a cup of your favourite berries. You can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries or a mix of all three. Add a banana for sweetness. The banana also adds a creamy texture to the smoothie. Now pour in some oat milk. You can use any plant-based milk you prefer. Blend it all up until smooth and creamy. Pour the smoothie into a bowl. Make sure it's thick enough to hold your toppings. Top it off with fresh berries. If you want, you can add some seeds and coconut flakes. Beautiful. This smoothie bowl will give you energy for your day. It's a perfect breakfast to keep you full and satisfied. For a refreshing drink, try strawberry-infused water. Slice some strawberries into thin pieces. Put them in a jug of water. You can also add a few mint leaves for an extra refreshing taste. Let it sit in the fridge for a few hours. Enjoy your refreshing drink throughout the day. Today's lunch is a delicious and healthy grilled chicken, paired perfectly with roasted sweet potatoes and a side of fresh greens. It's simple to make and so good for you. First, preheat your oven to 200 Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Season your chicken generously with salt and pepper. You can also add your favorite herbs for extra flavor. Place the seasoned chicken on a baking tray along with chopped sweet potatoes. Roast them in the oven until everything is cooked through and golden brown. While the chicken and sweet potatoes are roasting, take some time to prepare your greens. Spinach or kale work well, but you can use any greens you like. Drizzle the greens with a bit of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for a zesty touch. Once everything is ready, serve the grilled chicken and roasted sweet potatoes alongside the dressed greens. Enjoy this nutritious and tasty meal. To complement your meal, sip on some refreshing cucumber lemon water. Simply slice cucumbers and lemons and add them to a pitcher of water. It's so refreshing and hydrating. Dinner time, comforting and cozy. Let's dive into a meal that warms the heart and soul. For a comforting dinner, let's prepare vegan shepherd's pie. It's hearty, satisfying and perfect for a cozy evening. Start by sautéing chopped onions, carrots and celery. The aroma will fill your kitchen with warmth. Add lentils and vegetable broth. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender and the flavors meld together beautifully. In another pan, prepare the mashed potato topping. Boil the potatoes until soft and ready to be mashed. Use dairy-free butter and milk for a creamy texture. Mix until smooth and fluffy. Spread the mashed potatoes over the lentil mixture evenly. This will create a delicious golden crust. Bake until bubbly and golden. The top should be slightly crispy, adding to the comfort of the dish. This dish is pure comfort food. Serve a generous portion and enjoy the warmth it brings. Pair your meal with chamomile tea. It's the perfect beverage to complement this hearty dish. It's calming and aids digestion. Enjoy your cozy dinner and let the warmth of the meal and tea soothe you. Embrace the dairy-free life. There you have it, a day of easy and delicious dairy-free meals. From a vibrant smoothie bowl to a comforting shepherd's pie, dairy-free eating is anything but boring. Give these recipes a try. You'll discover a world of flavor. Dairy-free options are everywhere. Explore and enjoy. Happy cooking. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious dairy-free recipes and tips. Hit the notification bell to stay updated.